smashed. But apparently this $5 windshield repair kit designed for broken glass on cars can fix it. So step one is to remove any loose glass fragments by scraping over the brake with a razor blade. So we'll position these suction cups at the epicenter of the crack. You then screw in this funnel which will allow us to pour the repair liquid inside. Okay, let's just pour it in and that should push the liquid into the glass. Is that for real? Our crack's a lot bigger than that, so what if we just put it across the entire area? And then let's just layer this sheet on to apply even pressure. That looks 10 times better than it did 5 minutes ago. If it does work, that would be an absolute game changer. Time to see if it did anything. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Holy moly. So then you just use the razor to get rid of any sticky bits that are left. So it's not 100% completely fixed the crack, but for $5, it's made it so much better. 2 weeks ago, I accidentally dropped my